waterfall, and as you saw, and now we're on our way to go to the biggest waterfall in Lombok, which is pretty exciting, and we can swim in it because the waterfall we went to in Bali literally had a sign that said do not swim, and this first waterfall, like, you could take a shower but you couldn't really swim, so I'm really excited to swim in a waterfall. Oh my word, we made it to the waterfall, it's so amazing! Ah, okay. Just swam in the waterfall. It was incredible, so amazing. I'm so happy that we did that. And now I think we are walking through a very scary, very dark tunnel to get back to where we started. We made it up the tunnel! Look at that, that's so creepy. So we got back to the villa. We had such an amazing time at the waterfall. It was so worth it. It was amazing. And we've just been chilling by the pool, relaxing. I edited a vlog, which was good. I'm a little sunburnt. Look at my nose. Look at my forehead. Wow. Also my arm is a little sunburn from the stove yesterday. I don't know if you can tell, and I'm getting a little sick. I've been feeling like my throat started like annoying me like since the plane, because diseases live on planes. But it's been like fine and manageable and not sore until now. I know it's really sore, but hopefully tomorrow's surf will help with the natural neti. Salt water's great. It's just great. No other words for it than great. What else can I tell you? Quickly ending tonight's vlog. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Today was a really fun day. I really enjoyed it. And look at the creepy painting behind me. That is a little weird. But anyway, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.